Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can claim free BNB using this free platform every 60 minutes. Okay, before I show you how it works, let me quickly show you my withdrawals. I have been able to make over 5 BNB in total from this platform. Okay, so you can take a look at all my cash out. My last cash out was 0.11 BNB, that is worth over $72. You can see the dates. Okay, that was last month. My other cash out was 0.2 BNB. You can see these are all my withdrawals. I have made a whole lot of BNB. That's over equivalent to 5 BNB on this platform. I have been getting paid since the year 2023. Okay, you can see my first cash out was 2 years ago. Okay, you can see it. So if I'm telling you how this site works, you have to pay a close attention because I've already milked a whole lot of BNB from it, and it is free, no investment. So now, to start claiming, first sign up by clicking the link in this video's description box. I am also going to be cashing out in this video later, but let me show you how the site works first. So after sign up, go for hourly faucet. You come down here. It works with a level system. If you're on a stone level, you are getting 0.0000007 BNB, 75 BNB every 60 minutes. But no much talk, let's just verify. Okay, so after verifying, we click on the button that says claim. As you click on the claim button, it automatically claims and sends the BNB to your account. You can see. So I got 0.0000015 BNB because I'm using the iron level. You don't have to buy. You cannot even buy the iron level. How you get upgraded from one level to another is depends on how active you are on the site. If you're active every time, you are going to be upgraded from the stone level all the way to the iron level, and from the iron level to the bronze level. And the higher your level, the more BNB you're going to be making. Okay, so the bronze level user makes 0.0000003 BNB every 60 minutes. Silver level gets 0.0000009 BNB every 60 minutes. Gold level gets 0.0000375 BNB every 60 minutes, and the master level gets 0.006 BNB every 60 minutes. So you can come back and do this every 60 minutes without investment. And here they also have bonus faucet. So click on bonus faucet. So bonus faucet works with lucky number. Okay, if you can get a lucky number from 0 to 9885, you are basically making 0.0000075 BNB per claim. Okay, so if you can spin and get a lucky number from 9886 to 9985, you're going to receive 0.0000022 BNB. And if you can spin and get up to 10,000, you're basically making 0.22 BNB. Okay, so to spin, just click on this button here that says roll. Okay, as you click on roll, it is going to tell you to please wait. Okay, so you see, this is my reward right now. I have about 27 bonus faucet left, so I can claim as many times as I want. You can see another one received. We claim again, another BNB received. You can claim again. So for you to get this bonus faucet, all you have to do here is to just sign up and verify your email. And the more active you are on the site, the more bonus faucet you're going to receive. You can also go ahead and click on games here. Okay, so as you click on games, it is going to bring you here. You choose the kind of games you want to play. So before we play games, let me go and withdraw. Like I said earlier in this video, I'm going to withdraw. So we click on the withdraw button here. So minimum withdraw here is 0.002 BNB. So I have 0.11 BNB in my account. So I'm going to be withdrawing 0.1 BNB. Okay, so they are going to take a service charge of 0.0001 BNB. So I'm going to make it 0.0001. So when they take the service charge of 0.0001, I'm still going to have 0.1 BNB left. So now let's go and get my withdrawal wallet address. So this is my BNB account. I only have 0.02 BNB in my account. So we click on the receive button. You can withdraw with any wallet you prefer. So we copy out the wallet address, go back, paste the wallet address in this box right here. So after that, I verify that I am a human. Okay, so after that we click on the withdraw button here, and you see your withdrawal request is being processed. So now you see that the BNB is worth about $65. So this is it pending. So most of their payment is automatic, so let's just give them like 1 minute. Okay, so by the way, while waiting, let's go over to my wallet and let's try refreshing my BNB account. Let's see if it is automatic or not. Okay, so you can see the payment has not yet arrived, so I would have to pause the video right now and wait for like 5 minutes. You can see the time at the top. This is 11 minutes after 12. So I'll get back to you guys as soon as I receive the payment in my wallet. So wait. So welcome back. You can see at the top, this is I placed the withdrawal around 11 minutes after 12, and this is 14 minutes after 12, and this is my new balance. So if I should bring down this notification here, you can see this is the payment here. So now this, if I click on history here, let me show you the history here. This is the payment of 0.1 BNB, which is what I received from the platform. Okay, so this is to show you that the platform, it is still paying and it is still legit. If you were able to watch the video till this point, I'm so grateful. Okay, so at the comment section, let me know you were able to watch the video till this time. Okay, so now you have seen, let me refresh your account so that everything here would match up together. So you can see my new balance on Trust Wallet right now. So that is it. So now you have confirmed. We can then go back and I can show you how you can play games on this platform and also make more money. It is free. Okay, so you can see it is already completed here. So now if you want to play games, just click on this gaming session here. Now as you click on gaming session here, it is going to bring you to this place. They have dice, lot of gems, and a whole lot of games that you can play here. So let's go for Wheel of Fortune, of course. Okay, so as we click on Wheel of Fortune here, this over here now, you play games. You earn by spinning the wheel. Okay, so let me go enable the automatic. Please play this game with the amount of BNB you can always afford to lose. You can put any amount of BNB here. You can also deposit some BNB into your account by clicking this deposit, and you can use it to play the game. So we are clicking the auto spin right now, so keep an eye in my balance so you'll be able to see if I'm winning or I'm losing. You see, I just won, and that was why I stopped the game. So imagine if I had deposited about 1 BNB here, that should double my balance, by the way. So that is it. Minimum withdrawal is 0.002 BNB. So they are taking a service charge of 0.0001. So that should be all for this video. Remember to claim every 60 minutes and remember to claim with your bonus faucet. So like, subscribe and follow me if you want to see more videos on how to make money online. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and God bless.